And worship, we worship you. Oh, worship. Lord, we bow down and worship you. Lord, we bow down and worship you. Worship you. Oh, yes. Worship. Baba Sikotama. Tina Sikotama Kuwe Sigudis Siakutumis Apostolo. We have a situation as Christians that whenever we talk to God or Jesus, we talk like we are talking with our bodies. Whereas when Hindus are worshiping their God, they stop everything and bow. When Muslim people are praising and worshiping their God, they close their shops just to bow. But at this moment, I just want us to take 2 minutes and bow to God if we can. If you can't, it's okay. But if we can, bow down to the